Are you looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this certified, pre-owned 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee Altitude in diamond black crystal pearl. With halogen quad headlamps, black headlamp bezel finish, 20-inch gloss black aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, dark lens tail lamps, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 19,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, integrated voice command with Bluetooth, park sense rear park assist with stop, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 1074A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory-backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.